My name is Lori Gibson. I'm the end user supervisor, and so I have the repair and the tech support. David is one of the tech support advocates. He handles a lot of the incoming phone calls that come in from any end user that has any issues with their tool. He troubleshoots them on the phone, how to fix it, and then we also take care of the repair, warranty, and 2-year service promise in this building.
So the 2-year service promise, like I've seen that on my nailer. Talk to us about
Sure.
that. Give us a little bit more background.
Sure. So the 2-year service promise was established to have anybody service their tool for free within the 2-year period. All they need to do is go online to paslode.com. It'll be under service and support, and it'll be a drop down, and you put in your 10-digit serial number. They'll ask you for your name, your phone number, and you will get an email that'll tell you that you registered for your tool. So then once that happens, if you have anything wrong with your tool, you can go online or you can call us. We will send you a UPS label, put your tool in a box. We will fix it, look at it, clean it, ship the tool back to you. Our goal, which we're pretty good at right now, is a 48-hour turnaround.
I've never gotten a tool back from a tool repair center in 2 days or 48 hours. It's usually weeks. Sometimes it's months.
The techs that are back there, it's like clockwork for them. When they come in, they know how to fix it, they know how to clean it. We really, really strive to do the 48-hour turnaround.
Is there like a minimum level of cleaning and service that's done no matter what? Doesn't matter what the customer says they have a problem with. Are you guys still going through the same process that we just saw where we cleaned everything?
Yes.
Yes. There is a standard. There are a few standard parts that get replaced no matter what the tool is in here for, such as the spark plug, such as the fuel tube, just because they are wear items, and that way the tool does not come back after it's already been serviced for another issue. These techs get deep down. They get deep down.
You get people that take advantage of the 2-year service promise just to keep it regularly cleaned and maintained.
We see a lot of crews, because it's the same name across the board, and they have, let's say, 20 tools. When the season's slow, they might send in half of those tools to get serviced while they continue working, and then when those tools get returned, they send the next batch.
Because some people will register and really never send their tool in. And that's why it's nice to get out there to let people know it's so simple to send your tool in and get it fixed. Some people actually really mess the tool up fixing it themselves, and it's worse off.
Yeah, I've never sent a tool in for repair, ever.
If it's not broke, fix
Don't
it till
fix
it is.
That's right, that's right.
So when I brought my nailer in here, I was having problems, and I'm pretty sure it was because I was using a non-Paslode nail. So it was not made by Paslode. I had some other boxes, I used them, and I started experiencing problems. You guys see that a lot? Do people send their nailers in not knowing that they should be using a Paslode nail to get like optimum performance, and do you educate them further?
We do see that. The repair claim will say something feeding, malfunctioning, jamming, and if they do come in with a strip of nails and we see that they're not our brand, on the repair ticket we may note generic nails being used.
Okay.
And my tech sometimes will also throw in a couple of strips with the tool, again, to educate so they can see our performance, our quality.
There's a difference.
There are definitely differences in angles and spacing of the nails and the collation, so they're looking out for the end user so they have the best experience.
So do you guys promise all tools the 2-year service time, not all those cordless tools?
All the cordless tools are under the 2-year service promise.
So kind of along like Paul's point about the whole 2 years thing, so you are past 2 years, you still service a tool.
Yes.
And what is that process? Is it the same process?
If they're way past the 2-year service promise, they would give us a call, send the tool in, and we would take a look at it. There's a flat fee of $140, and that includes fixing the tool. If there is anything that is more costly to fix, we will call them. We'll give them an estimate of exactly what parts on that tool that we'll need to fix. We will not fix it unless they approve it. And then once that's approved, we'll get it ready to go and ship it right back to them.
What if somebody's like me and they've never registered a tool in their
Me
life?
too.
You might even lose the receipt, you might lose the box. You just get the tool out and you're working, you go back to work. How does service work for someone like me?
It's really a no questions asked. You say you bought your tool this date, we'll start it from that time, we'll enter your claim, and you can ship the tool back.
Wow, that's really
That's
good.
really nice service.
That's pretty amazing.
take care of your customers.
We do.
That's good.